Hi. We've got a camper we're remodeling here, a camper trailer, and it's 12 volt. And I wanted to show you how easy it is to convert a normal light fixture to 12 volt. So I ordered these on Amazon. So get it all unpacked here. We tried to do this quick. These are holding that back plate on. Hang on to those, you're going to need them. These are very adjustable, and they don't come as a 12 volt. This is a normal 110 volt fixture. It's got a cord so you can plug it in, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to wire it directly into the wall. So set aside that, all your parts. This is also switched. So I did order it switched, but it is super, super easy to put a switch in a light fixture. Loosen this. Right here. Really all you do is when you run wires to the fixture, you just bypass. The black one goes to the switch and then goes to the light bulb. In effect, you know, giving you the opportunity to turn that on and off alone. Don't need these. All right, so I'm gonna give myself some extra cord here. That looks about good. I'm gonna cut it off, and then I've got a great cord. Get this white part out. This is a clamp that keeps it from sliding in and out of the canopy. Come on. And it's on there. There. So that just comes out through the hole. We can leave the holes there or plug them. So now I've got an extra cord. This is actually, conversely to cutting off a cord, you can add a cord to any light fixture that you have. Just wire it. Actually, you can kind of wire the lights to either plug. It doesn't matter too much. For a 12 volt system, we do not need the ground. I'm going to take that right off. Toss that. So I need these. I'm going to trim this wire. So you want to get this sleeve back. You won't normally have this on your typical fixture because this had a plug on it. Kind of had that specialty solid black cord. Of course, it's not coming off right away. Got to cut through it without getting the inside plastic. There we go. Peel that back. There. Cut off the excess here. Don't need that. We're going to strip these wires back a little bit. All right, we should be ready to go. We need this, we need the nuts, wire strippers, and probably this. Oh, whoops, wait a minute. I gotta put the plate on the wall. So also with the low voltage system, a lot of times just skip the junction box because it'd be so shallow anyways. And with the low voltage, really not that big of an issue. Woo. So I'm just gonna get this. I know that those screws on the canopy are side by side. Make sure you know where they're going. And I have put some wood behind the wall here because these are really thin walls. And I also ran the wiring myself, so I know that I'm not hitting wires right now. Level. All right. And I'm going to do right here. All right, that's not going anywhere. Now let's strip those wires. So these are live, so I am just going to do one at a time. This is going to be my hot. It's got a red stripe on it. Your trailer might have different colors like white and green. Basically, whatever one is colored, use that as your hot. And whichever one is white, match it to white. Easy as that. Okay. Dropping screws that I don't need here. All right. So, black to hot. Come on. You want to twist these really good. You know, your camper's got a lot of vibration. The connections that I made inside the wall, actually, a good tip my brother gave me is to make all your connections behind one of your light fixtures. So you can pull them back out if you need to. Don't bury them in the wall where you can't get to it. And also those ones that are harder to get to, when you make those connections, if you use wire nuts, I filled them, after putting them together, I filled them with, what was it? Construction adhesive? Something. So they're never coming out. But they all worked good, so we knew we were fine. All right, getting close to being ready here. Again, I'm giving these some really good twists. I don't have to push anything back into the wall here because the canopy on this light fixture is deep enough. It'll all fit right in here. So again, this is my clicker. So there, the hot goes to the black, runs to this first, which is the switch, and then connects into the light fixtures. So that's going to allow us to turn it on and off independently of anything else. Let's see. I'm going to find this easily. Of course not. Oh, there's one. No, that's the other one. Okay, there we go. Nope. So, yeah. Take these little nuts. Put them on tight. All right, now let me grab the hood and a bulb, and we'll see if we work. All right, the socket in here is called a phenolic socket. It has, let me turn this up, and I can see they're really adjustable. So it's got this ring in here. That allows me to put the parts on and reinstall the ring. Do it snug. If you have glass shades, do not tighten your rings really tight. You'll break the glass. When the bulb heats up, oh, it's already on. Look at that. Quick as a wink. 110 volt light fixture that was normally a plug-in, converted to a wall mount, direct wired 12 volt fixture. Piece of cake. Thanks for watching.